do a couple housekeeping things here.
Yeah.
Um, I mean, they always say, paper trading. Okay, they always say paper trading is a good way to go, but me personally, um, I kind of hate it. Even though like I was getting my nuts kicked in when I was learning, I still hated the idea of trading and not being able to progress. But if you're ready to kind of matter of fact, how much experience do you have actually? In the meantime, let me do a top-down analysis. Let's see where we're at here. Okay, we tapped on gold. We tapped the 50% prior day 50. The 4 hours bullish. Typically, I don't like to go against the 4 hour.
Mhm. The 4 hour for gold, just don't mean to cut you off, is 99.6, has been that major resistance throughout the whole day today.
99.6.
Yes, on gold.
Yeah. If you can see where
Exactly.
prior day 50 is at 703, and that's exactly where we're rejecting.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I started marking 4 hour today, by the way. It helped me a
Yeah.
lot with my trading, to be honest.
Oh yeah, the 4 hour
Like
is
the
good enough. The 4 hour is like just like I just said, I don't typically try to go against it. So if the 4 hour is bullish, then we could be looking for a pullback to continue up.
Mhm.
The 1 hour is about to start actually, and then it's leaving behind a nasty wick.
Mhm.
So we might have to wait a little bit for it to kind of align.
And we have a new 4 hour in the next, oh yeah, 3 minutes. So
Oh, a new 4 hour too?
and
Oh shit. Okay.
yep, yeah.
All right. So
FYI.
so a new 4 hour and a 1 hour. Basically everything. A new everything right now. So yeah, we gotta be a little bit patient. Um in the hourly though, it's rejecting pretty heavy here.
Yeah.
Oof. The hour is looking ugly.
Mm.
Yeah, okay, so then yeah, we definitely have to be patient here. We need a little bit more to marinate.
Yeah, we need some sort of confluence and bias, but yeah. How's it going, Moscow? How was the weekend? Everybody had a wonderful weekend.
Yeah, super
Just ready
chill,
to
dude.
celebrate it.
I'm just tired now.
Yeah,
Just chilling.
yeah. I can't believe this weekend went by just so fast.
Yeah, long weekend. I mean, yeah, fast, but still a long weekend. I'm just chilling tonight.
Yeah. Yeah, dude, it was pretty long. Not gonna lie, or pretty short. Excuse me. Pretty short. we have King Puppy and Mr. K.
King
Right? Did I
Guppy.
read that right? King
Guppy.
Puppy? Oh, King Guppy. Sorry, I'm not wearing my glasses. It looks like Puppy from far away. By the way, I'm known for butchering Discord names, so if I don't remember King Guppy, it'll be King Puppy. Icebag, I forgot to ask you, since you have a sauna and everything, when you sit in the sauna, what is the temperature at, and how long are you in the sauna for?
I usually do the max, so it's like about. So on there, I never actually calculated like the actual temperature, but on the settings for the machines, it's the max. So like it's 9, and I just set it for 90 minutes because I let it do its thing, and that way I don't have to worry about it shutting off on me. So I put 90 minutes, 15 minutes for it to warm up, so it's like 15 in total.
So you sit in there for 15?
Yeah, 15 minutes.
Oh wow. Yeah. Good.
Yeah, dude, we're dumping, bro. Not dumping, but we're pulling back for sure. Thanks for letting me be a part of the channel. Yeah, man. Oof. Okay, it's turning into a dump. Oh my gosh, gold.
Yeah, funny part is I was in the shorts earlier, but I chickened out and I got out, so it's okay. I told myself I don't want to rush anything, so it's okay.
Yeah, I secured a payout today, and I got a good win on my other funded. So now I'm trading my third funded, and I'm not rushing at all, dude.
Look at that nasty wig.
Yeah.
It literally wicked up 10 points. Oh my god.
Yeah, that was nasty. Cause okay, NQ. Let me do a top down on NQ. I don't even know. I didn't look at it today.
All we know is that it ripped.
So NQ broke both sides of Friday high and low. So at this point, I don't know what it's gonna do because it could just come all the way back down and close a doji kind of candle. Indecision candle.
Comes back down, it'd probably come back down to that 127 level. Now on the 4 hour, you have that resistance at 321 and then 347 on the second leg. But yeah. New York is going to be definitely interesting for tomorrow because I don't know if that 48 hours for Trump, what he's going to do to Iran expires.
Oh, bro. I started
So,
seeing that. And then I saw that it supposedly his offer expires 30 minutes before in New York session.
yeah, so we'll kind of see
Yeah.
what's going to be going. So if you're trading tomorrow during New York, just kind of have that in the back of your mind and just kind of be cautious about that because we could have a big roll event tomorrow, but or we could just have taco. So we'll see. We shall see. Now for gold, I'm kind of curious what it's going to do on that 66 level. Will kind of be our first base, and if it's going to break that down, we'll probably come back to the 50 level mark. We'll see if we want to take the ride up or down. So that's what I'm seeing right now. I'm not bullish or bearish. I just want a confirmation on the levels.
Okay, is this going to be the wick for NQ here? And we move up. Okay, the gold actually just flipped green on the 4 hour. Okay, let's take a look. The 1 hour did two. Everything actually. 30 minute, 15 minute. Okay, so everything's lining up to be a bullish move here. Okay, so I'm gonna keep an eye on it.
Yeah, let me know if you want me to share any of my screens for extra confirmation if you'd like.
Okay. We're getting a decent reaction up, but I want to now the question is, where do we take our entry?
We got that 20 EMA on the 1 minute chart sitting at that 82.4 on threes to see what it does there. Split second.
Damn, don't go without us. Holy crap. Nah, I think I've seen this before. It's gonna come back down.
Not in a rush, friend.
Oh,
Oh, we just triggered a 2-star buy already. Jeez.
that was a tape bomb, 4-point tape bomb.
Jeez.
What up, YouTube? Trying to see if we can catch a little bit of a trade here.
I forgot to tell you I spiked so earlier in the day, you know.
Yeah.
I didn't know I don't know if you was with your family or not for market open today at 5. Dude, like every candle was 30 points and I'm just like, what is going on here? Like it would be
Yeah.
like going up just a big 30 point. So then I was like, okay, shorts confirmation. And then I would like kind of enter, like I'd enter and then I'd get out. I'm like, I don't have a good feeling. And then the gut, like my gut wouldn't feel comfortable. And then it'd be like another 30 points up. And it's like, dude, everybody's stop loss is being hit. I'm like, whoa, what is going on here, dude? It was just crazy just to kind of see and then it kind of like the market kind of just settled. This was like almost like maybe an hour into the market, by the way.
Yeah, dude. It's high volatility market open.
Yeah.
All right, let me tell you guys what I'm looking at here. Looking for. So we are getting a nice reaction off of this level here, the 50% into the golden pocket. Slight reaction here, but I do think we could see it again. Um, if I do try to trade this, I would definitely be in. I will be thinking that we don't even retest this low anymore. That
Really? Wow.
that would be that. But of course, anything can happen. I'm just gonna wait for it. Even if we do and we sweep it, come back up, I want to see some higher low be put over here.
Yeah.
But that's definitely what I'm thinking. This is the first leg up, so this is the first reaction up.
Yeah. So did Turbo absolutely then get cooked on that last trade then?
From what I saw, yeah.
Yeah. Mm, a couple highs that we could target. 704, 709, and 726. Wow. If we could actually push past that.
What up, YouTube? What up? What up? What up? Did you guys place any trades? How'd you guys do today at market open? Gold. I mean, NQ. Holy shit. Yeah, if I saw this earlier on NQ, I would have taken this. I would have taken this here. We put in that low, swept that high, higher low here, exactly what I'm looking for in gold, and boom, entry would have been somewhere right there. Stop loss before below here. Bang. Look at that. And then we pushed up, created a support here at this previous consolidation zone. Boom. This one is textbook here. That's whack.
Oh, I was muted the whole time.
It's all
I was
good.
talking. I was like, when I said, yeah, dude, NQ is literally the play like of the day.
Okay,
Literally
so
of the day.
we might still be able to play it though. Here, let's see.
Gold's kind of following the exact same play as NQ, so I don't know. We'll see.
Are you gonna take gold?
Not yet. Just gonna mute myself for us.
Okay, so we have oh yeah, gold too. I like NQ a little bit better. Okay, here it is on NQ. So we have this resistance that we're breaking above. We closed above. So now at this point, we want to see this wick down. We want sellers to come back down and give this a retest. We want to see the reaction it does here. If it flips green, we could take an entry. We have clean range all on the left side, all one color here. So red, clean range. We're not buying into any sort of resistance until here. 312 to 310s. But we'll see.
Might go for the kill on this trade, so we'll see.
Yeah, you got to go like 3 minis maybe.
I need 2001. 2000. I just need 2,175 to pass.
Nice.
15 micros will do the trick one. Let's see. Maybe 2 minis.
I think gold will be better for you because we could play gold, but I only see a TP like for 4700s, 4704, clean range
Yeah,
above.
that's where I get to.
Because anything else above, like we got some resistance here. We got some wicks that we can be.
Resistance.
We expect like some turbulence.
I mean, 7403, and then next one is 7709. So I don't know if it'll break past that. I mean, it really would need a push, but we'll see. Yeah, like you said.
I mean, I'm not expecting anything above that. I mean, that if you want to hold past that, that's you. But for a TP, 15 points to the high.
Yeah, 704 then.
Okay, I'm gonna play gold. Okay, let's see. Let's just wait and see here.
Oh, did everyone leave? It's just us.
Mm-hmm.
Jeez. You pump with the rejection then. Some gold mine here.
Whew, and Q with the pullback too. They both are. Okay, the 670s is where I want to see it start to build some sort of support here.
Okay. Aye, aye, Captain.
Let's see, let's see, let's see. Moscow, where you at on your eval? 500 away. Bet. Okay, so yeah, if we can catch this trade here, this would be pretty sweet. But let's see. Again, we want to see we just touched the 50% of this range that we created. So now we want to see if it wants to drop down lower. Nonetheless, we want to see a support be supported. So we want to start seeing like this here. We want to start seeing this.
Okay.
So like we come down, we start creating, putting in a high, a low, and then we put in this low, and then we start building a higher low. And we could take our entry somewhere here, and we just start seeing it run. This is the kind of structure we want to see. But for right now, it's way too soon to tell. Because at any moment right now, it could just slice right through all this and invalidate the entire thing. So that's why we got to be patient here. Same thing with NQ, but this is looking more, or hold on, actually. Okay, actually, let's see what it does around here. Same thing, same exact thing. We want to see it build support. For NQ, we already started putting in a low, a higher low. Is this going to be the higher low, or are we going to drop down lower and probably put it in somewhere in there? In the 230s.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see what it want to do.
Patience, patience, patience.
Before we enter any sort of trade, we got to know where our stop loss is. And I know that's exactly wherever I enter, I want my stop loss to be below here. So that's exactly where it's going to go. No matter what, if I take it here or lower or there, no matter what, stop loss is going to go right there. So now that that's understood, let's see where it wants to build the support. And same thing with gold. If I want stop loss, I want my stop loss below this low here. And yeah, so far right now, look, it's building support right there at the 50% of the range. You guys can literally see it.
Yeah. Oh wow. Wow, 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 wow. Looks like it wants to take off.
Mm-hmm.
It's somewhat can't really exactly form a double bottom, but close enough, so let's see. I think it's still building structure.
Yeah. So if we can get some sort of entry like lower, just a little bit lower, like close to this low. Because again, what we put in this low here, what I would be betting on is that we put a higher low somewhere. If I take my entry somewhere right here, from this point, if I were to say I take my entry there, it's just about 10 points, just a little over. So I'm not going to go as heavy because of that.
Oh, okay. So I'll scratch the two minis then.
Yeah. No, we'll size into it if we need to.
Yeah. We would just go in the
If if we start getting this structure from the trade earlier I told you about, look at this. This is what I started seeing. This looked very pretty. This was a beauty. Same exact things. We started building low, but every time we tried pushing lower, we just kept getting bought up. Every time we made a new low, it just kept getting bought up. And then I took my entry. I was like, My entry was like somewhere right there. And then boom.
Boom, boom, boom. It went on.
Look at that. So let's see. Oh damn, look at NQ. Hella disrespecting the entire thing.
Holy. Wow.
It's still in the pocket though. Let's see. This is where I want to see structure built.
Yeah. He did pump for a long time today, so I would
Yeah.
not be surprised if we had a pullback. So
Yeah. No,
and just
1000%.
keep pumping.
Let's get hyped. Oh yeah, NQ's disrespecting the entire thing.
Yeah.
But still valid as long as it doesn't close below that sweep or close below that low here. If this is going to be the low right now, this is still a higher low.
Yeah.
But only time will tell.
If it breaks that, then it's all. Could it? It could probably come down to VWAP 153. If not, we're looking at the 135 level. And that level, I'd be really interested in. Respecting. Let's see.
Gold just ripping without us. And look, NQ, bro. Sure enough, that was a higher low. As of right now, that's a higher low.
Yeah. Yeah, gold. Oh man, gold looks. I'll see.
Just because of placement, I like NQ a little bit more now because of that. Because of where it's at.
Okay. of that last 15-minute candle. I believe that's the entry. Was it 82?
I think I'm gonna give NQ a shot here. I'm gonna go. If I can get a green closure, I'll try it out.
On NQ, okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna join the bid. This is. Oh shit! Hold on. Wrong ticker.
NQ.
Yeah. Limit buy. I'm gonna do three micros. Okay, I'm in. Stop loss is at that low I was just talking about. I'm gonna go a little bit below. So 3 micros, risking $100. First trade of the session. I'm betting that this is the higher low. This is gonna hold up here. So this is gonna be the low right here. That's gonna completely invalidate this if we hit stop loss. Put in a higher low, got a nice reaction off of that. So I'm really betting that that holds. Took my entry off of that. Yeah, man. So that's it. Simple trade. Gold is approaching the area of interest that I have here.
Mm-hmm. Let's see it.
How much are you in?
I'm in 13 micros.
Nice. You should have a tight stop loss on this, so you shouldn't be that much at risk.
Yeah, I have the 210 just like you.
Yeah. So far, so good. This is a reaction I definitely want to see.
But like you were saying for conversation earlier, if I want to make that over $2,000, gold's literally the best, you know.
Yeah.
But I'm giving this a shot, so we'll see. Maybe this will play out, then hop into gold. But yeah.
No, yeah. I'm watching both. I'm definitely still interested in gold, but it's just like I feel a lot better. Okay, if it loses, I feel better doing NQ based off of this, just where it's at, all this, the higher low, all that. I feel better if this one loses than I would with gold, because then with gold I would be like, damn, I should have just waited.
Yeah.
That's the thing with gold here.
Just gonna break 233 to get above that 20 EMA real quick.
We have a new hour here in 20 minutes. Hopefully, we can get some momentum in our direction before that.
Yeah. It's always the long stretch passing these accounts. It's the toughest road. The long stretch. Final stretch. It seems like it's holding its support there quite nicely. So let's see. Things. We're breaking above. Okay, I like this.
There we go.
And if this
Still,
one,
we still need to trade out of the 230s here.
yeah,
Let's see if we can find an opportunity to add into this.
about $234, baby. I'm in for 13 micros.
We still need follow through because we still need to trade out of the 230s. The golden pocket here that I have.
Yep.
We're still in it,
That
so
20
but
EM
these are
index
still
fund
good
just went
signs.
down. If we could break out of that, yeah, 278 to 311 is kind of a hike. Let's see. Are you in the trade with us, Moscow?
Nice.
Nice. Wow. Big break. Wow. Cool. fake out. Just give us a pop. Pop up. Well, on that order block on that 221, there's more buyers than sellers, so really need buyers to pop it up now. We'll see.
Still valid as long as we stay above here.
Silly question. Can I add 3 more micros here or too late?
I mean, as long as your stop stays at 210, yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
your stop loss should not change at all because 210 is the
Okay.
is
Stop loss. Yeah.
210 is like the point where it completely invalidates this entire thing. So,
Yeah.
but yeah, we're in the green again.
I was thinking about buying more when it was dipping, but let's see.
So yeah, if it sweeps our stop loss, then yeah, that's longs are invalidated for sure. But so far, if I'm bullish, this is exactly what I want to see here. I might add if we can stay above the 50%, above 245. Cause say, oh, look at that. Ooh, baby.
Whoa, 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 whoa. It's bouncing, it's bouncing. I like that.
Oh my God.
Oh my
TP.
God. What is it?
Oh,
What
I
is it?
don't know. I
Oh my
don't
God, it almost
know.
passed. Chat,
Oh
what's
my
going on?
God, bro.
Chat,
What the?
chat. What was that?
What the heck
Is this news?
happened? I don't.
Please, please
Yeah,
tell me in
that's
chat. Is
news.
that news?
That's news.
Dude, some sort of news had to come up. Oh
That's
my
a
God.
news
Chat,
candle.
chat. That was 10 points of me passing the account. Come on, baby.
Let's go, bro.
Dude, imagine if I'm up 500. Chat, oh my. What the hell? I was only 10 points away from that wick. I would have passed. Oh my God. I wanted to add more too. I was literally talking about it.
You should have.
Come on,
Gold
what
is
is
still
the
moving
update on
too.
this?
Gold is moving too.
Dude, that has to be news. Holy crap, gold too. This has to be news. Let's go.
News. Nothing, man. There's nothing here.
Let's go. Holy crap. I'm up 1,163, 1,196. Can Can we actually just get straight wick up and I pass?
Are you still in this?
Yeah, are you out?
Yeah, I took my TP was the high right there at
Oh shit, I'm still in it. Holy
276.
shit.
No, I
Okay,
mean,
should I head out?
go break even at least. Go break even at least.
Okay, I'm break even. Holy crap, I thought you guys were in with me.
I did. I mean, my no. I was. My TP was at the
Yeah, yeah,
high.
yeah.
I didn't expect this to come in.
Yeah, holy crap, Ice Bake. I just need Ice Bake. Ice Bake, I may actually pass. I just need Ice Bake, I just need $800, please.
Dude, I had no
Please,
idea
Ice
what the hell
Bake.
that was in, bro. My TP would have been
Ice
way
Bake,
higher.
I may actually pass. I thought I honestly thought you guys were in it. Oh my god, because I put my TP at where I need to pass. Damn.
Where do you need to pass?
I'm at break even right now, so I set my stop loss. It's like okay.
No, at least go break even. No, at least go break even and let it ride. Where's your TP?
At 311. 311. I don't know.
Bro, you're so close. Just might as well try to ride it out.
Yeah, okay. I'll do that for you.
Dude.
Come on. Please, don't do this again.
311, 311, 311.
Come on. Oh my god. Come on, please. I hope I calculated everything right, by the way, so I don't like go over again. I think I did. 2175. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
No. No. Let's see it. Let me look at my screen. Oh, dang. I'm up seven. Oh my god, that's so crazy that happened.
No, dude. I mean,
I really hope Moscow, so close. Damn, Moscow, me and you are close. Just hold it, bro. Hold it with me. Hold it, Moscow. Come on. Come on, Moscow. Pull up your pants and hold it up with me. Come on.
see, the thing with that is like you don't know that's gonna come in. I had no idea that was gonna happen. My TP was at those highs.
That's why I asked you, did news come out?
Yo, what up, L7? Yeah, he put something here in the chat saying BOJ Osaka officials note that a prolonged Middle East conflict could increase the negative impact on economic activity from first squawk 14 minutes ago.
Wait, what? Can you repeat that? What? I didn't hear you. What'd you say?
It's okay. It's
BS.
no, it's some news, but
I was $800 away from passing, but let's see, we're still way above it. Yeah. Let's see.
I mean, it made a new higher high, so you want to see higher low.
One more wick up, baby. Oh, it was going.
Where's your entry again?
228.
Okay. You should be good. You should be good.
Yeah.
W execution though, nonetheless.
Yeah. W for sure. W's across the chat. I'm just looking for the pass, so.
Dude, that was nuts,
Yeah,
man.
I literally told myself, should I add 3 more micros here and just go? That would have been, I would have passed if I just. Sometimes you're just clicks away from passing. I'm up 555.
Dude, that took me out of that hit TP so fast. Holy shit.
Is there any signs of anything flipping green anytime soon? So 290 was the resistance. Okay, we keep bouncing off that EMA. Let's see, 15-minute. All right. We have a new 15-minute in the next 3 minutes. I don't know. We'll see. put my TP slightly $20 higher because of like the
Slippage, yeah.
fees that they take.
Yeah,
So I
yeah,
took
that's
that
good.
into
That's good.
consideration. FYI, I'm ahead of the game. We're up $682. Let's see. I'm at 104,569. Yes, keep pushing, baby. Push it. So there's a huge FYI, Moscow, for your reference. There's 137,000 sellers at this order block, which is 354 FYI. So big order block, but our TP would have been hit by then. So I already got my. Oh, okay. Congrats. Damn, dude, you're so close to passing, bro. Oh man, we should try to pass you tonight, bro.
Gold is pushing up even aggressive too. So if NQ follows, you should be
Yep.
perfect. You should be fine here.
Okay. I hope so, man. All right, I'm at 104,641. Oh yeah, I need 1,000.
NQ's push. I mean, gold is pushing.
Man, I hope NQ just follows it, but normally they work inversely, so we'll see. Solid entry though, W entry for sure.
Shoulda, coulda, woulda. If I knew that was coming, I would have went way more aggressive.
Well, yeah, but you don't know that. We don't know that. Nobody knows that. That's the whole point. When you don't bet a lot, or not bet, excuse me, when you don't place a lot, that's what happens. When you place a lot, the opposite happens. So let's see. I'd love one more push up right at that 20 EMA. Yeah, 15 candle left. A nasty wick. Minute 3 left on the new 15 minutes. So let's see. Here I get stopped out. Are we gonna push the heavens? By the way, it's so nice when you're like in a trade, everything just starts wicking up, and you're like, "Oh, what's going on? What's going on?" You worry about the profits rather than the stop loss. All right, one more push, baby.
Yo, what up, YouTube? We just took a dub on a trade. Some crazy volatility jumped in our favor. Thank God. Holy moly. It's like I don't even want to say that I told you guys so, you know? I mean, I knew that was a good position for a long, but that volatility kicked in, took us out at take profit. Nice. A beauty. Anyway, yeah, I got a Discord here if you guys want to tap in, real-time TA. If you guys charted, took trades, type in. And yeah, man, share it. Let's chat about it. The link to it is in the comments here of this live stream. All right, and we are currently watching Koobs, my friend Koobs here. See if he can pass his eval here with this long. I got out of take profit, so let's see if he can get his take profit to pass the account. All right, man. Let's see if you can get you this pass.
Only up 546. Is it losing momentum? Are we gonna break even? Right at the 20 EMA, fall below it. Hope it holds here.
So this is the level that I said I was gonna add into it if I was still in it.
Yeah.
So let's see what it looks like here for me to get back in. But let's see. Nothing is setting up here just yet.
I don't like how that red candle's just dangling. Need to push up. Let's see. Let's see the 15-minute. All right, so 15-minute. Just
Oh, a new hour too. Let's see.
yeah. So that 15 minutes, respecting that fair value gap at 237, but needs a nice push.
Nice reaction here. Or should I play gold? It's moving pretty nicely.
Please hold there. Please.
I'm curious what happened.
It was a bot rating.
Oh no.
I think I'm gonna get stopped out.
I think you're barely in this still, huh?
Dude, imagine if it just rips all the way back up.
That'd be awesome for you. We're back in that we're back where we started. We need to get out of this pocket.
Oh my god, come on, rip back up, rip back up. W entry. W entry, come on. Holy crap, come on.
Oh my god. Oh
Holy crap,
my.
dude. I literally have the golden entry. Please? Please? Can we pump it up? Pass this? I mean, Moscow, this is, I mean, up to you, but we're literally back at entry, so. Dude, I'm literally 2 points away. Either stop me out, now you're scared. Oh, Moscow, I think you just gotta break the fear a little bit, to be honest. Holy crap. Let me take a look at this. Wow.
Wow.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's pump it up. Yeah. Come on, buyers. Step it up. Step it up. Yeah, it's done. It's done. Still haven't broken even. Okay, broke even.
Yeah. Okay, well, I'm eyeing gold here.
So 2,159 is what I need to pass, and I'm putting my TPs at 2,175. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Do not tell me that it goes back up right now and leaves without us. Dude, I do not want to see that. Okay, let's take a look at gold. And that's crazy. I went from just being $800 away to break even, but it's okay.
Nah, that's unfortunate, but typically that's what follows like news candles too.
No, that's not unfortunate. That's my luck. That comes with the title of whenever I want to pass. I'm used to
Yeah.
this by now. Still staying within that pocket though.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, gold's coming back down. It looks like it failed. You call me crazy if I retried an entry for NQ?
Nah, good, still valid. Okay, so as long as it doesn't sweep the 210 area, the longs are still valid in my opinion. But I think this time around it's coming to it a little bit aggressively.
Yeah. Yeah. Iran, US receive a plan to end hostilities. I just saw. Oh, Iran, US receive plan to end. Okay.
The 15-minute on NQ looks ugly as hell. I would not want to long it if I saw this.
Let me see. Oh yeah, hell no.
Even gold too. No, not gold, but not choppy, but just an aggressive sell candle.
It's so weird. Why is that?
That's super aggressive. Even gold too.
Well, good thing we put to break even.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that was the best call there. Yeah, look at it. Want to go now.
Yeah.
The hourly. Everything looks heavy. Let's see. We just gotta wait now at this point.
Go to CNN. Let's see if we see anything. Trump and Iran trade threats over Strait of Hormuz after President profanity-laced warning. Tehran issued threats over Trump's ultimatum to open the vital waterway. But did UCLA women's win? UCLA dominates South Carolina to win first women's NCAA championship program history.
Is that what we dumped? No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, it does. The 50-minute closes in 3 minutes here. Let's see. I mean, if we're looking to short on NQ here, we have this here that we're, it looks like it wants to close below that support. Oh, oh man.
Oh shit, yeah.
If we
Maybe
close
going down
below
to
here,
182 or even 129.
yeah, that's what I see. 185 around there.
Yeah.
185 would be the next support to kind of target. So if this closes below that support, this clean range all here to the left. So it's not a bad idea, but let's see. Look at this one now. Look at this candle here at 11:15 p.m. This one right here, it looked just similar to this one, and look at what we ended up doing. We went all the way back up. So I don't know. Essentially, we'd be betting that this time we would be dumping. What do you think, Moscow? We go down or up?
Let's see what it does at that 231 level again. If it's gonna go up, or we're gonna shoot up. If it's gonna reject, I think it's gonna come back down, and we can target those new lows.
Yeah.
And then I think we could actually come to that 138 base level. But if it's gonna reject off that 231, shorts would be the play. But yeah, we gotta be patient because we need a good entry. Gold's just looking heavier and heavier though. We're at that 76 area. I don't know if this is a double bottom right here. And Q didn't even want to come to the VWAP is right at 160. Yeah, we could even drop down the VWAP. What do you think, Moscow? What do you think? We drop or we pump? Oh wow. We're at that 230 level.
Look at that. Yeah.
Oh god,
It barely swept 210. Look at that.
wow.
Even if I was still in this, I would have barely been taken out, and then I would be looking at this punching the air.
Yeah, wow. Yeah, that literally just from 30 points like that. Oh, dude, I didn't see. Yeah. Wow.
Okay.
245.
All right, I'm open to trying this again. So for right now though, I want to see it pull back and create a support. And then I can try it out. And then target these highs that we put in.
Well, look at NQ2, or sorry, gold is just did the exact same thing.
Mm-hmm. But let's see. I'm watching both. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna give this to like 12:30 or 12:45, and then I'll call it if there's nothing else that comes up.
Same, I got a long day tomorrow. Gold kind of doing the same thing what I did earlier. Jeez, no stop loss. That would have came in handy today. No stop loss. Well, it's our song, so
Is it? Let's see.
yeah, it's coming up.
In 2 songs, 2 more songs. It's the 13th one on this list, and it's at 11.
Gold's looking heavier and heavier. You see the 15-minute on gold. Oh yeah. Could test that VWAP 666. Let's hope it's not chop anymore, that we still get some volume and volatility.
Okay, and Q is moving down just a little bit again. Same exact TA as earlier. If I'm gonna long this, I definitely want this low. That's where I want my stop loss. Just below it. So if I'm gonna long this, I definitely I want to see some sort of support built. And then I can, again, long it with my stop loss below like 206. That's going to be the point of invalidation for me. So again, I need to see that structure for me to do it. And gold doesn't look as clean, but same thing. We got that low. We just swept it with this one here that we just put in. So if we're going to push up just a little bit towards this high, again, I want to see some support be built in the 70s, in the high 70s, I mean, for me to long it and target the highs. But same exact situation as NQ. Got to let it marinate and do it staying here for a little bit. Is this a support that I'm talking about for NQ though? Because look at it.
Yeah, that was kind of the exact same setup as gold earlier, where it supported there and filled. So I'm really curious now to see this exact same textbook setup. See if it's gonna actually pop and go to the TP. many points is that? 40?
Yeah, to that low, like 40. I think this time around I'm gonna do 5 micros. So if I lose, my P&L is gonna be minus 200 if I lose. But let's see. Still not certain. Still unsure.
Yeah, now it's thinking on what it wants to do. But wow, we had a way better entry though at that 228 level.
YouTube, drop a like on the stream. We just took a dub. I would even say by accident with that kind of volume that kicked in, but it was still a dub. So W's, 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 W's. Like the stream, guys. Trying to see if we can catch one more here. Okay, pull back here. I need to go take a whiz. I'll be right back.
Wow, look at that window. Back to our entry. Gold, wow, gold stumping. 666. Yeah. We'll probably get to that 666 level on the VWAP. be the reason or the pullback. Let me see this. Moscow, what did he send? Senior Iranian official Tehran will not accept the plan, blah blah blah. Hold on. Yeah, I wouldn't mind gold coming down and then take it on the way back up if we can hit that time frame. Song. That song. NQ now is kind of looking chop on the 1 minute chart. Doesn't know what it wants to do. Take a look at the 15. Yeah, 15 is just. Old. Is it forming the base there now? Take a look at the 15 minutes. For this 15-minute is done 40 seconds. Looks like we might want to come back up again. At that 81 level right there. We would need to cross that in order for this to really finish it off. Possibly target, those 703 highs. That's about 23 points. 20 points. Bolt's gonna do the exact same thing. So I got out at break even on NQ for it to come back down and now. Oh wow.
The funny thing is, I was gonna enter in Q again, but I was kind of looking at gold. I wanted gold.
Yeah. Only get a better bang for your buck. But dude, yeah, like this is the type of funny stuff with NQ. It would do this. song is a good song too. Gold is triggered a 2-star by from that one EMA, but we really need to have that continuation. We target that 93. 15 points. Yeah, gold's moving. Oh wow, NQ2. Both kind of looking the same, right? Ice bag,
Yeah.
NQ and gold.
Yep. The thing with gold is I'm being super picky. It's not clean.
Yeah. Where would you want your entry at? Like 77?
Just about.
Or even lower?
Nah, 77 is ideal. NQ too. I missed my entry twice.
Yeah, look at it go. Wow. Yeah, NQ. Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. It's wow. See, it's like these situations where I was conflicted. It's like, do I just hop in and not wait for my entry, or do I wait? You know.
Mm-hmm.
I think that this is the hardest thing about trading. I think we could target that 93, but 704 is going to be a push. Yeah, NQ really did me dirty, damn.
Yeah.
NQ did me dirty, man. I mean, from a perspective, I would scratch that. Just, I mean, it's good if like you're on Express and you want to scout, but like I'm trying to kind of go heavy and pass, so I don't. These would be good entries for me.
Dude, it barely tapped stop loss. The original stop loss of that move, it barely tapped into it.
Yeah.
And now it's just about back up to those highs. Dude, gold is just not pulling back. I want gold to pull back the way NQ is. Oh my god.
That was my biggest fear. Is I just wait. Yeah.
Like these things that gold NQ is doing, like this. We put in that higher low, higher low, higher low. NQ's just not doing this shit. It's just, I mean, gold isn't doing it. Fudge.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at gold. Both of them.
There it goes, dude.
I really wanted to play gold on this one.
I'm so close to full porting this just because I wanted to pass, but I think, yeah. Yeah, it's too late to enter. 704. Yeah, dude, damn. Really hate this about myself. I should just pull the trigger.
Wow, gold.
Wow, NQ, I would have passed the account. I did not. Wow. That's crazy, man. 3 opportunities today to pass. Yeah. Gold always does this, bro. Whenever you want something from it, it does not want it. It's so annoying.
Yeah.
Like, I like how it pays, but I absolutely hate it. Like, I hate it. Like, we wanted that pullback at 77, and we're just like, okay, and nope. Somebody's gonna get into gold now and watch. It's gonna pull back all the way to that 20 EMA.
I'm gonna try. Oh shit, wrong thing. Damn, I have this shit linked. I wanted to go. Yeah, I'm gonna trade NQ. If it tags me in again, I missed my entry because the right side is linked to gold and not NQ. I want EP tagged in at the top of this range, and I'm not gonna do 5 micros. I'm just gonna do 3, and I'm only gonna risk my profits here. The profits I made from earlier, I'm only gonna risk that. That's it.
Yeah, so you want it to break 290 essentially, and see if it's gonna rip higher. Then, and then your next order block is at that 323 level. Yeah, I don't know. We're at London. Almost at London highs again. So
Damn, I don't think I'm gonna get tagged in.
wow, it was so funny how NQ ended up playing out. It was so funny. It formed literally a triple bottom. 209. Sheesh. Yeah.
I'm scratching it, dude. I'm scratching my trade. It's off of that. It's all good. All right, YouTube, that's gonna be it. I mean, very unfortunate.
Nice.
I wanted to play gold, but we just did not see the pullbacks I wanted to see, so it's all good. I'm just gonna scratch it before I do anything silly here. So anyway, good dubs here. A single dub, beautiful trade. So yeah, I'm gonna call it there. I'm gonna end the stream.